And today I'll show you vacuum pack machine along with a sous vide machine. Sous vide is a technology where you cook food in a vacuum bag. Sous vide means cooking under vacuum. Okay. So let me show you these two machines. And this is vacuum pack machine from Besser Vacuum. Besser Vacuum is Italian brand and the quality is very good. Come, I'll just show you the feature. Okay. Let me switch on the machine. This is the button for switch on. Then it will ask whether you want to do manual cycle or a automatic cycle. For example, if we do a automatic cycle, okay, automatic cycle, like it has a three mode: automatic cycle, manual cycle, and vacuum only. In vacuum only, you can do some external vacuuming without the bag, but that feature is not available in this particular unit. But if you want that, that is also available. So let's do one automatic cycle. I have some vegetables in the vacuum pouch. I'll just put it here and press it. Now you can release this and it will do everything automatically. You can see how the vegetables are shrinking. Vacuum level it is going maximum, like, yeah, vacuum level is done. Now sealing is already done now. Sealing is also done. It's done now. You can see it is sealed. It is sealed and our vegetables are properly vacuumed. The advantage of vacuum is to increase the shelf life of your vegetables, or maybe if you want to do some chicken product or a cheese product, anything you want to vacuum, you can vacuum in this. Okay, now let's come to the sous vide machine. This is a sous vide machine. This particular machine has a capacity of 12 liter of water. You can put this circulator in a bigger chamber also, in a bigger container also, with the maximum capacity of 12 liter of water. So I'll just show you the operation of this also. It is very easy to use this. This is just a rod and you have to tie this up. This is a small container, but if you have a bigger container, this is the lock. You will put this in a container, then you will just tie it like this. Okay. Now come to the operations. Come, I'll show you. The current temperature of water is 28.8 right now, and nothing is operating. The machine is on the off mode. This is the temperature mode. This is the time mode, and this is to start the machine. Let's set the temperature first. From here you just set the temperature. Let me set the temperature 62 degrees Celsius. Now time. These are the minute. Let's set it for around 30 minutes. Now start. It is started, but the machine will not show the time. Time will start reducing from 30 minutes when the temperature will reach at 62 degrees Celsius, what we have set. Till that time, only the current temperature will be shown by the machine, but the timing will not start decreasing. So you don't have to worry about it. So before putting your food also, you can preheat it, and when the temperature comes, you can just put your food, because it will beep when the temperature will come. So this is the basic function of this machine, and it is a very good cooking method, because in this you don't lose any of the nutrient of your food. All the moisture, all the juices, all the benefit of the vegetables will remain inside this packet only. And whenever you are ready to, whenever you want to eat, just take out the packet. Like once it is done, you put it in the refrigerator, and whenever you need, just take out the packet cut the packet and you can reheat, maybe saute the vegetable or just micro the vegetable. If you want to do any kind of a steaming, that can also be done. So I hope you like these products. They are very good. Like, this is a very healthy way of cooking. So I hope you like these, and if you want to buy them, you can contact us. And for any kind of information you want more about these products, or maybe if you want to take another demo, you can contact us. Thank you so much.